well, if you'd all read your emails from Captain Appiness, you would have signed up for the blanket appeal. Basically, at the moment, for our website, we've just got a Launch Rock page, just trying to attract email addresses as a commitment to donate blankets. If you go back to our pitch, it was about creating a marketplace for giving, but to test the validity of the idea, we have to test one side of the market first. So at the moment, we've had 100 views, and I think we've got like 20 sign-ups, actual commitments and emails. So basically, you know, you'll all be very familiar with this, considering you've all signed up. It allows you, once you sign up, to go and post it onto Twitter, Facebook, email people, to try and create it a bit more viral if we can. That doesn't seem to happen yet, but we'll get there.
Who filled in the form?
A few people, yes.
And keep your hands up. Okay, and
who's going to fill in?
Keep your hands up if you forwarded it on to somebody else. Oh,
wow! Thanks, Launch
That's right. Wow. We outsourced the validation to Launch Rock.
But because the system works so well, we've already had an email just to sort of say, hey, right, if this would come through. Once we've got all the things signed up, the email will go out and say, hey, listen, guys, we do need blankets, you know, for the blanket drive. You know, name, postcode. You can then view. It'll click here to go get your instructions, and it'll go back to the website which you're working on now. So to say, all right, well, thanks very much for your commitment. And this is the nearest Vinnie's location. So using Google Maps, it sort of just pulls in where the nearest locations are. And that's where we've got to so far. And we're hoping by next week it'll be a bit more interactive, a bit more information. Like, let's get the guys there, or get cars to come and pick up the blankets for you. But pretty hard to do maps on mobile in a browser. I'll give you that much. But any questions, guys? I think that sort of covers just the validations in terms of we have attracted some emails. People are altruistic, but the scope of that isn't as big as we thought we would get in 24 hours. But we'll see what we
good though. 20 out of 100. Yeah.
So if over the next week we can see we can get a few more, and then hopefully by the time we come back next week, we will have delivered blankets to St. Vincent's. Yeah.
Awesome goal. Good.
Cool.
Well done.
Cheers. Thanks.